Is Base44 a good platform to vibe code on? We're going to find that out today. If you're new here, my name is Zach. I help non-technical people bring their software ideas to life. And I've never tried Base44. This is my first time using it. As you can see, no apps created yet, but I've heard about it. I know a few people that have been using it. I'm a big fan of Bolt. I've been using this mostly, and it does a lot of cool stuff that I like to do when it comes to vibe coding. So today we're going to pit them against each other. I'm going to create a prompt, one prompt, paste it in both, hit go at the same time, and see what happens from one prompt. And then I'll explore the platform a little bit as well, give you guys a little insight to what I like, what I don't like, and be 100% honest. I have no affiliation with this company at all. So I'm just going to give you my honest thoughts and opinions. I've been doing this about 4 or 5 months now and have learned a lot with different platforms. So I'll give you some good insight on whether this is good or not. So if you don't know, Base44 just got acquired by Wix. Wix is a website building company for 80 million doll hairs. It's a lot of coins. Big investment. Obviously, vibe coding is the future. So if you're not vibe coding, you should start. And there are big companies throwing a lot of money at it. So they just got acquired. Let's find out why and how we're going to do that. We're going to start out first creating the prompt. So before I build any app or website or anything like that, I start out in itlworkshop.com. This is a website I vibe coded. It's free. It's a toolkit for brand new vibe coders to have everything they need, all the quick links they need, whether you want to book a call with me, you want to use Supabase, Bolt, you want to use GitHub, all the stuff you need to get started, and then my YouTube channel as well, and my community. And then what you do is you paste in the basic information for your app, generate a prompt, and go from there. I'm going to save you guys some time, and I'm going to pull up an old idea from a different workshop we were doing, and this is for a fashion clothes e-commerce store called 42, and it's all listed out here already. So basically, it's just a general e-commerce store to sell clothes. And what we're going to do is hit generate prompt, and you guys can do this as well if you create your own account at itlworkshop.com. So what it's going to do, generate a markdown prompt, which is the format you want for a app or IDE. It's just a really good format, so it understands it, digests it well. And what we're going to do is hit copy up here, and we're going to enhance it even more. So you hit enhance prompt. It's going to take you to a GPT I made that will just help you just get more clarity and have a stronger foundational prompt. So hit I'm ready to start. It's going to tell you to paste it in there. Go ahead, paste your prompt in. And then it's going to ask me a few clarifying questions. We'll do that first before we test this out on the platforms. We want it to be a web app. So I'll just say web app. Design inspiration. Let's make it look like Nike. 3, yep, yes, user accounts would be great. With Google sign-in. That sounds cool. AI features. Yes, AI recommendations. Hey, let's see if we can do a chatbot too. I never tried that yet on any IDE. Let's add a chatbot to it. Payment. Stripe for payment. All right. Now it's going to build out a markdown, just a more advanced prompt. Cool. Looks good. Typically, you want to take some time, look through this, make sure it's exactly what you want. But I'm just, for the sake of saving you time, I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to paste this in Base44. I'm also going to paste this in Bolt. And what's cool about Base44, which Bolt doesn't have, is styling instructions. So it looks like you can choose different styles prior to hitting go, but I'm not going to do it on this run. I just want to see what style it decides to come up with. But I do like that you have a little bit more styling prior to hitting go. But with Bolt, you can enhance your prompt even more here, or you can upload files. You can do the same thing here. Looks like you can add files if you want to. Sometimes I'll add a photo if I want it to be like, hey, look like, have the UI look like this color and this style. But that's just hit go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let the battle begin between Bolt and Base44. Creating your app. It's thinking. It usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes with Bolt, depending on how complex it is. But they're both thinking. They're both going. They're neck and neck. Here we go. Base44 still thinking. It's coming up with a plan, just like Bolt is. Very, very cool. All right, it's starting to edit some things. And this is kind of a big idea, full e-commerce store with one prompt. That's asking a lot for both platforms. So it's definitely pushing the boundaries. It's also asking for a chat bot and a few other things that were built into the base prompt. So, you know, it might take a little while. So I'm just going to pause it here. And then when it's done, I'll let you know which one finished first. Okay, it looks like Bolt actually finished about 20 seconds prior to Base44. So neck and neck, Bolt won by like 20 seconds. But Bolt did have a few errors. I just had to hit resolve and then it resolved them and then it popped up. So there's the difference there. And Base had no errors on the first prompt. So one prompt shot. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got. This is Base44. Looks pretty clean. I like that it just kind of came up with a random photo for the background that looks, you know, stylish. Streetwear is what we were going for. Very cool. Let's do a quick little stroll. It looks clean. It looks professional. Some different options here. I kind of like that. It kind of highlights it. Looks like that photo didn't work here or here, but obviously you can always change those. I really like that kind of zoom in feel for it. This looks really clean, really professional. If I hit shop now, yeah, it's got different options. Very cool. Full on store and a chat bot down here. Looks like the chat bot doesn't work. So that's okay. You can shop, cart. It's got a full cart. Very cool. Looks good on mobile and regular. Okay. So Bolt, let's go back to Bolt. This looks clean as well. Yeah, I do like the UI. I did like the big photo here in front a little bit more. It's just like boom. But this is still clean. It's got that same kind of effect on the different products. Still, you know, looks professional. If I go to streetwear, what happens here? Nothing. These buttons don't work. Here, shop collection, that doesn't work yet. Got dark mode, that's kind of cool. Okay, let me add something to my cart and see if it, can I add something to my cart? Add. All right, let's take a look at the cart. Okay, it's got a full cart. That's pretty cool. Just like Base44 did. Okay. And no chatbot though, but neither did Base44. Didn't really have a working chatbot. So similar. I think I slightly biased like the Base44 a little bit more with the UI, but they're both good. Like they're both pretty good. Let's see what this looks like on mobile. Elevate your streetwear. Okay. All right. Well, let's take a deeper dive into Base44 since I haven't used it before. What is this? Visual edit. Oh, that's if I want to make something visual. Let's see. Okay. Dashboard. Now, see, this is different. I like that you can look at analytics. That's pretty cool. It already has your site analytics. You can check users. Okay, it shows like your users. I think if someone created an account, you can track that pretty easily. Domains, connect to domain. You can scan. Okay, Bolt doesn't have a security scan check button, but I'm sure you can still do it on Bolt. You can look at your code here. They do kind of hide your code. You have to kind of dig a little deep to get to it. Okay, you have to have a paid plan to edit the code. Interesting. Logs, your API. I don't have any APIs connected yet, but that's how you would manage those. Settings. Okay. Oh, you can like upload a logo specifically, then it'll probably puts it throughout your whole site. So there's a little bit more flexibility here. It's a built-in authentication. So I wonder if it's that easy, just toggling on Google and now you have it. You probably have to do some back-end stuff to get the Google authentication working, but let's go. I kind of want to see what that looks like if I try to log in with Google. So if I sign out, oh, you can't sign out. You can't sign out yet. All right, if I hit share, copy this link. Is it going to take me to the app? Let's go. All right, so then I can sign in with Google. Let's see what happens. Let's try to sign in. It'd be really nice if it's, wow. Yeah, see, it's already pre-integrated somehow with Google. That is actually awesome. So then if I go back to Base44, I look at my analytics, is my Google account on there? Users? Well, I guess I just logged in with that same email. I do like it's got backend analytics. It's got, I believe, a built-in database from what I heard. I don't see where that, maybe it's right here, data. It might be storing all the data. So it makes it a lot easier to edit and access some of this stuff. Very cool. Yeah, it does give you a little bit more flexibility than Bolt when it comes to the back end. So far so good. I'm actually impressed with Base44. But I know Bolt's coming out with Bolt Cloud, which is going to have all those same things. Custom domains, unlimited database, authentication. So it's going to have all this same stuff anyway. And the Bolt makes it very easy to deploy. I'm sure Base44 does as well. Yeah, analytics, files. So it's going to be very competitive. When this, I believe it comes out here soon. It's in beta. When you compare the two. So yeah, I mean, one-shot prompt. I am impressed with Base44. It may be a platform I continue using, but I also really like Bolt. I've been using it mainly for most of my projects. So let me know what you think in the comments, which one you like better. If you've used Base44, if you've used Bolt, the pros, the cons. Sometimes creating specific things like stores might be better on one platform compared to the other. The other might be better at creating a CRM platform, or might be better at creating a landing page. So you can't really get a full grasp on which one's better on one prompt with one type of app, but you can get a good idea. We had the exact same prompt for Bolt, for Base44. These are the results we got. I didn't edit anything. One thing I would like to do if we had more time would be to start doing edits and seeing how well it understood what I put in there for edits and how well and quickly it shifted them. I like how quick Bolt is and how well it understands me and fixes issues. So that'd be one thing I would like to see. I want to use it for a while to get a full experience, but off one-shot prompt, I like Base44. Very clean. A lot of back-end analytics, built-in database, that kind of thing. So very cool. Again, let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't already, go ahead, join my community, itlnocode.com. It's in the description below. I'm hosting calls. Tonight I'm doing a AI vibe sesh. We're just going to vibe code, have some fun, ask questions, learn, share, and nothing crazy, no pressure. And then I do this Wednesday, I'll have a vibe coding 101. So with that, appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.